Carry on, sir.
All right, so what we got going on here is getting rid of some of the background noise to this splatter stuff that we got going on here. So I'm here in RX and I am taking this room noise. I am going to tell RX to learn that room noise so it gets a curve of what's happening back there. And so this is the room noise. So that's what it learned. And so then I'm going to take it and just preview it over here. And I hear that it's quieter than what I had before. So I'm just going to take this whole thing. I'm going to render it. And then you'll see RX doing its thing.
And John, which sound is this? Celery or something?
I believe this is some cabbage. It's like bowl of greens, I believe. And so you can see that the room noise is considerably lower right here. So that's before and after. And then you can see it did it through the whole thing before. You can see all that background noise is gone here. Then I go back, bring it back. And then if I play it, it should be a lot cleaner. And it is. And so that just helps get rid of some of the background noise. So when you want a zombie eating some flesh, you're not going to hear the background room noise. You're just going to hear the flesh eating. And it's going to be a lot funner that way.
It should be more fun that way, I would think.
Huh.
Can you play a before you rendered it now?
So here's a before. And then here's an after.
And you can really notice it in right where you got your mouse right there.
Yeah, so here's a before. And then here's an after. So you can hear how much that actually helps clean everything up. And you know, the more you go through it, and that's just kind of the first layer of fixing and the first layer of cleaning I would go through. And then, you know, I'd clean up all this kind of intro stuff and outro stuff, but you know, you can also do that in Pro Tools. And so then I take this, hit send back, and then it's this guy right here, and then you hit render. Boom. That whole thing is now been RX'd and cleaned up.
It's now clean.
It's now clean.
Beautiful, man. Nice. It's a beautiful thing.
It really is.